The Google Pixel update for August is finally here, and you can start downloading it now over the air. OTA means it is rolling out to people who have the Pixel 6 or newer phones. So that's Pixel 6, 6a, 6 Pro, 7, 7a, 7 Pro, 8, 8a, 8 Pro, and then the 9 Pro, Pro XL, Pro XL Fold, Pixel Fold, blah, 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 all that stuff. So, of course, the easiest way to do that is to go into your settings, and I always like to do this whenever I'm making these videos. So what we'll do is you'll go onto your phone, you'll swipe down, and you'll go to your settings, scroll all the way down, and then you'll see System, and then there's an option for software updates inside of there, and then you have System Updates, so tap on that. Now, it may tell you that your phone is ready to go, that your system is up to date. Always tap on that button in the bottom corner, because sometimes it lies to you, and it tells you that, oh, yeah, the update, your phone's up to date. See, preparing system update. Even though whenever I went there, it said, hey, your phone's already up to date. So my phone is preparing to download it now. So again, this is for the Pixel 6 and newer phones. There's only 3 updates that are listed. There's really not a whole lot here. One is for system. It says general improvements for system stability and performance in certain conditions. As a Google Pixel person, and these updates, if you're familiar with them, you're very familiar with the language under certain conditions. But hey, they perform system stability and performance. User interface, there's 2 fixes here. And no, that's not like a hook 'em horns thing. I hate UT. I graduated Texas Tech. But user interface, fix for an issue where the scheduled dark theme was not working in certain conditions. Again, our favorite phrase, certain conditions. And fix for issues with 3-button navigation and gesture navigation and, you guessed it, certain conditions. So this is something that is starting to roll out over the air now. That means that you can get it straight to your phone. It's not like before, back in the dark ages, where you would have to like plug something in or switch something out or download something. You just go to the system update and update it. Why isn't there a big update right now? Well, that's because, one, the Pixel 10 phones are going to be here in just about 2 weeks. So if you've been living under a rock and you don't know about it, on August the 20th, the Pixel 10 phones are coming out, the successor to the Pixel 10 Pro. That's presumably Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and should see a Pixel 10 Pro Fold. So exciting things, and all of that, the mysteries of the universe will be unlocked for us on August the 20th. That is fantastic. That's great news. I'm excited about it. Biggest month of the year. And it doesn't fall in line with the software updates. So here's the thing. We get monthly security patches and updates. Usually it's just fixes. It's not new features. So we get the quarterly feature drop. Well, quarterly feature drops are June, September, December, and February. What is next month? September. We should be expecting to see the Material 3 Expressive and all the other stuff added to Android 16. So we just got Android 16 a couple months ago, full launch and deployment, but a little on the bare bones minimalistic side, because it's like, okay, here's the core OS, not a whole lot of features, not a whole lot of visual aspects updated yet, none of the really cool stuff. And that's going to start rolling out, especially as we get the Pixel 10 series phones that drop here in a few weeks. And then we should see a lot of major feature updates for other phones next month. So I would fully expect in September, we're going to have a pretty big, sizable update whenever it comes to Android 16. And then you'll see some more of those things deploy out to the Pixel 9 series phones. And some of it will go to the 8. There are very few at this point in time really go to like the 7 and the 6. But they do throw us a bone every once in a while. And we get, some new features, some new AI stuff, some new cool different things. And that's just the nature of the beast and the way things work whenever it comes to the Pixel phones, right? Monthly security patch. We got 7 years of support now for the newer phones. And I'm really excited to see what we get with the Pixel 10 series phones in just a few weeks. And hopefully I'll have some good content for y'all on launch day. Wink, wink. I'll say wink, wink. So hopefully I'll have some exciting information for you guys and gals. I can't really talk about anything, but use your imagination. So it'll be interesting to see Pixel 10, Android 16, next month, quarterly feature drop. This month, pretty benign. It doesn't appear that Google's breaking any phones this month with any updates. And hopefully this gets everybody back on track. But this is just an update. Small things, those 3 little fixes, nothing crazy there, nothing insane to write home about. Go check it. Again, if it's not there, it started rolling out now today. Check this evening, check tomorrow, check the next day. The phones are pretty secure and up to date. It's not going to be the end of the world if you can't get a security patch for a day. You're going to be fine, right? Just calm down. You'll be okay. check tomorrow. This stuff will start rolling out throughout the week and then continue on beyond that. So that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.